Hey Jake, this is Viola from Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for clicking on this video. Now I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of businesses out there, a lot of different business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers, and it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. If you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website is a great looking website. I mean, you have great photos. I love all the links. I love all the reviews coming up here. I mean, you guys have a very, very good looking website. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly based on content. And when somebody goes onto Google and they click in roofing in Clayton, Georgia, or any of the other cities that you guys are in, Google's goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,890 words on it, and you guys' website has upwards from 900 to 1,000. So you're gonna wanna have to add about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and that's pretty much gonna be the best way to go. Because if you guys take a look at your competitor here, Roof It Forward, they don't even have 1,500 words on their homepage of content, but they are still being ranked higher. But this just tells us, or this just shows that they're very beatable, right? That we're going to be able to outrank them pretty easily. Now, after you do that, you want to make yourself trustworthy. And Google bases this over how many other websites are linking to you, so that you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot of power from other roofing companies or other gutter companies or siding, windows, etc., that are linking back to you rather than Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. Now, I use this tool called Ahrefs. I pay about $1,000 a month for it, but it can give you such valuable data about what's going on in the back of the websites. And as you can see, it says here that you guys have 11 websites linking to you, which isn't giving you any organic traffic on a monthly basis. Nothing to scoff at, because there are so many other roofing companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone any referring domains linking to them. Now let's take a look at the competitor here. They have 127 websites linking to them. So if you want to beat them, you're going to want to add about another 180 to 200 websites linking to you. And what I would do is I'll just copy them. Whatever websites are linking for them are going to link for you. So just go down a list and you can either create an account with these companies, or you can just go and or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic. And imagine how much more money you can make if you guys were averaging an extra 551 customers per month. That's a ton of business, right? And that's why it's so important to do this. So when somebody clicks on roofing in Clayton, Georgia, we'll go back here. People always skip the first area, which are the ads. And they are either skipping that because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you want to rank yourself is in the local map pack section right here. Now, the reason why you want to rank yourself here is because you want to make sure the way to get here basically is to make sure that you have more citations than your competitors. So anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. I mean, these are the most common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in, and put yourself in the same exact directories, and then add a bunch more on top. So if, for example, Phillips Roofing has 150 directories, put yourself in like 250 to 300. And that's pretty much going to help you outrank them. So that's about all I have for you today, Jake. Just a quick recap. You want to get your website upwards of 1,500 to 2,000 words. You want to get at least 250 to 300 websites linking back at you. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. Now, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. However, just send me some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. And if you want any help doing it, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.